Sunday is food prep day. Yeah, Sunday's food prep day. Here in this one, onion, mushrooms and lots of shredded vegetables being semi-stir fried. This is sweet potato that has been boiled and then a little bit of crust added to it with paprika, garlic and sauteed in a pan. Chickpeas, quinoa. Now these have been soaked for 24 hours, then boiled, then slightly toasted in the oven. Frozen blueberries that will go with yogurt. More chickpeas and quinoa. Tomato and kale salad with fresh parsley, some kale, some more mushies. This is egg that has been 4 eggs whipped together with some garlic and cayenne and kind of omeleted, sort of fried omelette sort of stuff, and that's to kickstart my protein for the day. So that, woo, a few hours work.